before we do anything, we must open and clean the inside. So what we're gonna do here is go ahead and open this part. Replacement blade. We're replacing the blade, but I want to clean the machine first. This.
Yeah. Always wanna clean your tools. Ooh, look at that! Dirty as hell! Yes. Go ahead and turn this over.
This is gonna make it so much more smoother. Look at all that. Look at all of this. But I should be doing this more frequently. Cleaning the inside of my clippers. I can do better, and I will do better. That is ridiculous how caked up hair gets into these. And you know what? The way that I actually chipped this blade is by me removing it from off of the charging stand and hitting the lid of my Barberside jar that's on my station that I put my combs in. And it literally chipped off one of the teeth. And that was horrible. Oh, sounds so much better. All right, go ahead and, all right, so there we have it. Now we're gonna dust the plate off, inside of the plate. And some of this is grease from people coming in with greasy hair. Stop it, y'all. This is what it looks like on the inside. Cake the fuck up. You see this? Cake, hair cake. This is disgusting. Do not put grease, oil, gel, nothing in your hair when you're coming to get a haircut. This is the result. That is literally balls of hair. Do you see this? It's a ball of damn hair with product on it. This is right now that we're done with that part. We're gonna put this back on. Put this back on. Right in place. Make sure the little holes align so we can dust off these. Dust. All right. Go ahead and put that back. 1 screw. 2 screw. 3 screw. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and screw these back into place. No diddy.